Hello everyone, I am Mehek and you are watching W Social. So today in this video we will discuss about why so few Indians pay income tax. Very few Indians pay income taxes. So millions of them evade taxes and hide their income is the popular notion. But this is a big myth. India has very few taxpayers. Not because millions of them are hiding their incomes and evading taxes. It is because India's income tax structure is designed in a way that allows only for a small percentage of people to pay income tax. Almost every other country has an income tax limit that is below the average income of its people. Only India and Bangladesh have income tax limit that are much higher than the average income. Based on calculation of India's inequality, we estimate that only 3% of working Indians earn 3 times the average per capita income. That is only Indians earn more than rupees 5 lakh. This is comparable to other countries. Only 5% of Americans earn 3 times their average income, 4% of British and roughly 3% of Chinese. This proves that only 3% of Indians are even qualified to pay income tax. Hence, India has a very low income tax base. It is not because of millions of people are hiding their incomes in a secret corner. It is because for a poor country such as India, the income tax limit is very high. And so automatically most Indians fall out of the bracket. This myth that India has a low income tax base because of millions of Indians hide their income has led to some catastrophic decision and created a climate of distrust and suspicion of citizens by the income tax department. This is all about today. For more such update, please follow our channel. Thank you.